The laser scanner three-dimensional device allows a quick and reproducible measurement of the upper limb volume without requiring direct contact with the skin of patients. In addition, the technology is inexpensive, user-friendly, reproducible, and extremely precise, even in the presence of gibbousness and swelling. Demonstrating the procedure will be Dr. Lorenzo Lippi from our research group.
Begin by installing a free downloadable 3D laser scanner application on a tablet computer. Next, use a marker of the highest contrast color compared to the skin of the patient to mark the skin of the upper limb to be analyzed at 5 cm landmarks, starting from the wrist to the elbow, and from the elbow to the proximal portion of the arm. Draw circumferences around the upper limb to be analyzed at the level of each landmark, and position the patient in an upright position in a room with sufficient space to move around them. Raise the patient's upper limb anteriorly by 90 degrees, and ask the patient to remain in this position without moving for the entire duration of the scan. Link a 3D laser scanner device to the tablet, and open the 3D laser scanner application. Enter the credentials of the patient into the patient database, and click Connection and Plus to enter a new patient.